Insert a slide and change the slide background. Copy paste the sliding board. The link for creating the sliding board is provided in the subscription box. Insert a shape rectangle for typing the questions. Insert a text box for typing the question number. Duplicate the text box and paste the actual question. Format it as per your choice. Insert a shape rounded rectangle to connect with the next question and format it as per your choice. Type next question. Select the cap and white rectangle and provide motion path line animation and change the direction to horizontal. Go to slideshow and check whether the sliding board is working. Similarly, repeat the sliding board animation for the cap and white rectangle for both the choices. You can also do it by copying pasting using animation painter. The next step is to rename all the objects in the slide by going to the selection pane. Rename the groups, the stickers and the next question. This will help in assigning animation and trigger. Provide entrance wipe animation for stickers and change the effect options from left. Repeat this process for other two stickers. Select the animation of white box in sliding board and assign the trigger of the sliding board with right answer. Here the right answer. Bring the animation of gift under the right answer. Similarly, repeat the process of assigning triggers for both wrong one and wrong two. We can also assign sounds to the gifts. For the next question, rectangle, provide entrance animation and bring it under the right answer trigger and start after previous. Check the animation by clicking the answers. It reveals whether it is correct or incorrect. When the right answer is clicked, the next question rectangle will appear. Select the next question rectangle, click on Insert, Action, Hyperlink to next slide. In this way, you can link to the next slide, duplicate the slide and then change the questions options, you can also shuffle the choices so that the choice is in a different position. Similarly, we can add multiple slides.